What's up, team? Look at that man's dream. Look at that beautiful bike, man. That thing is sick. Let me tell you that. 450 cubic, brings 60 horsepower. I don't know, maybe 100 kilos, 120 kilos. This thing is crazy. This one is crazy, guys. Let me tell you that. But we're not going to talk about bikes in this video, guys. I want to tell you about the trade that I shared with all my students yesterday. It was a beautiful trade. I only took one trade yesterday. I was able to bank around, it was around 450 grand or something like that. I'm not gonna touch the trading station today. Let me tell you that I'm gonna finish the week with this beautiful trade. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. And if you've missed that trade, you're probably not inside the inner circle of our team. You're not inside the Genius Trading Masterclass course, but that's all right. We are going to talk about that trade today so you can learn exactly why I did that trade, how I did it, and yeah. Let me show you the results. Let's get into the charts, guys. Let's get it. Here we are in front of the charts, traders. It wasn't 500 grand, it was 400 grand, guys. 400 grand yesterday, as you can see. And yeah, this one is a live account, and for the week it shows 800, and for the month, it's actually this month, last month, 2.6 million. Already withdrew something, just a little bit. And yeah, it runs pretty well, guys. Let's talk about the trade yesterday. Let's get it. Let's get straight into the charts, guys. So what was happening in here? Well, we need to see a little bit like the bigger picture. Let me show you on the 1 hour chart. So this is a pretty significant high from last week, right? And we didn't touch it the whole week. It was showing signs that it wants to go above. So yesterday I decided to look out for a nice buy opportunity. This was my goal because I wanted to see this thing go above this significant high. This was, in my opinion, the market told me that it wants to go above this one, and we had this crazy gap in here. You cannot see this on that kind of chart, but when the market opened, it was running down like in a finger snap, and just the blink of a second, boom, we had this gap. So this is pretty significant area, like I said in the last video already. So I wanted to see the chart go above this high and fill that gap. Well, yesterday the market was not really going above on time. Like, I wanted to see if it would have gone above, I would make like this 550 maybe something thousand. But I was able to catch a really nice trade in here. I was nearly got stopped out. It was very close. It was very close. I was nearly got stopped out by 1, 2, 3 pips. It was super close. But anyways, as soon as the session started at around 9:30, algorithm started to kick in. Market was coming down. We had this last low in here with a nice imbalance momentum move in here. So if the market goes below this one in here, I expected a lot of buying pressure. And yeah, as you can see, the market reacted to that zone pretty aggressive, and I was getting in pretty early. When the market came down for another one, I was loading it up, got in again. My stop was around 11,508 or something, because 520 is a level where they bring price yeah, pretty often. So I gave it a little bit more air to breathe. I was not too tight with my stop. I gave it some air to breathe, and I loaded it up when it when it dipped a little bit deeper into that zone. But as you can see, we had this beautiful reaction right in that zone. So I really catch the sniper entry in here. I took first profits around this last high. This is why I took first profits. And when it pulled back into that zone, I was getting in again with another position and moved all my stops to around 11,540, and I tried to capture the next significant high, the high of that day. And then I wanted to target the high of the day before. But as you can see, the market was turning around, and I decided to get out in here. So I collapsed the whole position when the market started to move, to break the structure again. Let's go to a little bit smaller time frame. So market gave us a nice push in here. I was getting in. Market came back. I got in again. Boom. Took first profits in here. Market came back. I loaded it up in here. Moved my stops in here. Then I waited. Boom. Took some more profits off the table in here on that candle when we pushed above this high. And then I was waiting a little bit. I really wanted to see this thing go to this significant high of last week that I showed you earlier, but it was turning around, broke structure in here again, and then was coming down too steep. I decided to get out and finish the day, and that's it. I mean, as you can see, it didn't came to hit my stop, but of course, yeah, it would hit my stop because I moved it already. It would have hit my stop, but my initial stop would not have been hit. But there's no reason why I should hold that steep pullback again like I did the day before. It was just horrible sitting in front of the charts for so many hours. I mean, this was a quick trade, around 2 hours. That's average. That's my average trading time per day, 2 hours, and that's it. And yeah, that's beautiful. 2 hours of work, and then the rest of the day chill, do whatever you want to do whatever you like, go eat, grab some good food, do something with your friends, drink a beer, whatever, go do sports, play basketball, drive around with this man's dream, with this motorbike, man. Do whatever the fuck you want to do, man, but don't stick in front of the charts. If you have this good trade, that's all you need, guys. 1 or 2 of these trades per week and you're good. That's all we need, man. We focus on like just these 2-3 hours of the beginning of the session when the volume starts kicking in. Get your bread, get out, enjoy life. That's it. Trading should be boring, guys. That's how it should be. Yeah, that's it for today. Make sure to check the link down below in the description. If you need my help, just drop me a private message. I'm there to help you. If I have time to chat, I'll chat with you. I'll answer all your questions. I'll show you exactly how I trade. Drop me a private message, no problem at all. And yeah, enjoy your weekend, guys. Wish you all the best. Peace out.